Hi, my name is Nedim. I'm a car accident lawyer here in the St. Louis area, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the property damage aspect of a car accident. So that is one of the first things that will get resolved once you've been involved in a car accident. And there are a few things to consider when it comes to the property damage aspect. So the insurance company for the at-fault driver will usually reimburse you for the reasonable value of that same vehicle. So what is reasonable value? So in some instances, clients will come in and they'll say, hey, Nedim, this car had a sentimental value to me because of X, Y, Z. Unfortunately, that's not going to count. So where do they get their reasonable value from? Is it Kelley Blue Book? Is it private sellers? Is it, the dealerships? What is it? Well, it's actually all of the above, but the insurance companies have got their own property damage adjusters, and they've got their own system to figure out what the reasonable value of your vehicle is. So I think the last time I talked to an insurance company is the comparable car within a 50-mile radius of where you live. So if they come back to you and say, okay, your car is a total loss, then do you have to accept that if they offer you $10,000 and you feel the car is worth, let's say, 12, 13? Well, no, you don't have to accept that, but then the burden shifts to you to prove that that car really is worth, $13,000 or $12,000. So how do you do that? Again, you go back to all of the above, Kelley Blue Book, private sellers, and you do your own research. And if you can prove to them that a comparable vehicle is actually worth 12 or 13 instead of the 10 offered, then you've got some room to negotiate with them. The other issue to consider when it comes to property damage is the diminished value of your vehicle. It's a bit easier to do if the vehicle is brand new, so let's assume you purchased the vehicle right now, you take it off the lot and you get rear-ended. Obviously that vehicle just dropped drastically in price because of the car accident. It's going to show up on the Carfax, right? So how much is that worth? Couple of ways to go about doing that is, go back to the dealer and say, hey, listen, you just purchased that vehicle, was involved in an accident. What's the value of this vehicle now? And they may or may not give you a price and put it in writing for you. The other venue is there are professional businesses out there that will come out and take a look at your car. One of them that I've worked with is collisionclaims.com. You pay a couple $100, they'll come out, take a look at your car, and they will prepare a professional professional outline, professional presentation for you as to what your car lost in value because of an accident. So those are the few things that you have to consider when it comes to property damages. If you have any questions, call me at 314-352-6800, and I'll be more than glad to answer any and all questions that you may have. Thank you.